Hey guys, I just wanted to go over your assignment for today, which is Wednesday, April 8th. And so we are on our course page. First thing we have to do, remember, is go to the announcements section. So go ahead and click on that. These are your announcements for today. I do want to point something out very quickly. Yesterday, when I went back on the course page, I noticed that the two videos that I posted were not working because it said that like the maximum number of views had been exceeded. I don't know how many of you were not able to see the videos because I kind of saw it like halfway through the day. I did upload them to YouTube, so you can go back and view them if you did not yesterday. But if you notice something like that happening, I need you guys to send me an email or like somehow communicate with me, okay? So our announcements for today. Whoops, let's go back to the beginning here. All right, announcements for Wednesday, April 8th. It says, "Hello, my fabulous children. Happy Wednesday. We are halfway there." So overview of today's agenda and assignment. I'm going to post the video that I'm doing right now on this slide. Motivation for Wednesday. It says, "You've got this." I don't think I really need to explain this. You're all continuing to impress me with the work that you are submitting. And I hope you find a routine that works for you, and I hope that you continue to do your best. Your agenda for today. Today we will be continuing our traditional literature unit, and we're going to explore a new myth called How Odin Lost His Eye. Reminders for you today, they are the exact same as yesterday and the day before, so I don't really need to go over them with you. Questions or concerns? If you have any questions, if there is a video that's not working, or if you were in my fourth period and you tried to submit your assignment from yesterday and realized that you couldn't, only one person out of 27 people in my fourth period notified me to let me know that they were not able to turn in their assignment. Okay, and that's like a really easy fix for me. So all you have to do is just shoot me an email and let me know. Okay, so if you're in my fourth period and you didn't do your assignment yesterday because you couldn't get it to work, I have fixed it. So please go back, do it, and turn it in for me so I can grade it. If you have any questions about your assignment today, go to the discussion board that is titled Wednesday, April 8th, How Odin Lost His Eye, or you can click here and it will take you directly there, okay? So let's go to our calendar for today, because that's the second thing that we need to be doing. And we're going to scroll over to Wednesday. So Wednesday, we're back to 3 learning targets. AKS 1, I can cite extensive and significant evidence to support an elaborate inference. AKS 2, I can evaluate and summarize theme development over the course of a text. And AKS 3, I can evaluate the impact of the relationships between the plot of a story and the characters. So your classwork for today, number 1, we just went over our announcements. Number 2, you're going to read How Odin Lost His Eye. This is in Google Classroom as well, or you can click the link here. And then the third thing you're going to do is answer questions for How Odin Lost His Eye. They are in Google Classroom, and there are 4 questions, okay? So let's take a look at your text for today. So this is a very similar format compared to the myth that you just read. So it's divided into how many parts? Two parts. Okay, so the first part, Miss Merrill once again reads it for you, and she highlights important things, and she also annotates through these videos. So if I were you, I would definitely listen to the video and follow along as Miss Merrill goes over all of this. Okay, so remember, all you have to do is just click on the link here, and she reads it for you. Okay. So at the very bottom, we have a few notes. So Odin is willing to help others at any cost. He sacrificed his eye to gain more wisdom and knowledge to help the men and the women of the earth. And the theme is sacrifice of the greater good. This is also the theme that you had for Monday and Tuesday for your myth. And then you have some vocabulary. So we have forged, which is a verb, created, make or shape a metal object by heating it in a fire or furnace and hammering it. We have sacrifice, so it can be a noun, an act of surrendering a possession as an offering to God or to a divine or supernatural being. It could also be a verb, which is to offer as a religious sacrifice. Fates. So in Greek and Roman mythology, they are the three goddesses who presided over the birth and life of humans. Each person's destiny was thought of as a thread spun, measured and cut by the three fates. Okay. So once you are done listening to and following your story, you're then going to go into Google Classroom. So once again, find the specific period that you're in, and it takes you directly to today's assignment. Your learning targets are here. Your classwork is here. Make sure you submit this form by the end of the day, Wednesday, April 8th. Okay, so this is a copy of the story if you need it again. And then this is your Google form with your questions. So you're going to go ahead and first name, last name, tell me what period you're in, and then you have 4 questions, okay? And they're over standards 1, 2, and 3. When you're done, make sure you hit submit, okay? Some of you are not doing that. I need you to make sure you hit submit, okay? That is all that I have for today. If you have any questions, you know to shoot me an email or post it in the discussion board. All right, talk to you guys later.